Imagine this: humanity standing at the edge of extinction, forced to choose between staying on a dying Earth or venturing into the unknown abyss of space. But can we truly survive beyond our home planet, or are we chasing an impossible dream? Our planet is changing faster than ever. Climate crises, overpopulation, dwindling resources, and technological risks all raise a dark question. Will Earth remain a safe haven for much longer? If not, humanity's survival may depend on mastering the stars. But here's the dilemma. Space isn't welcoming. It's hostile, cold, and filled with radiation and dangers we barely understand. So, can humanity adapt, or will the universe itself ensure our extinction? Let's break this down. First, Earth itself may not always be habitable. Rising temperatures, shifting ecosystems, and resource conflicts paint a grim picture of the next centuries. While technology may buy us time, history shows civilizations collapse when growth outpaces balance. This is why visionaries like Elon Musk talk about Mars, why space agencies dream of lunar bases, and why scientists argue that becoming a multiplanetary species is our only insurance policy. But is Mars really a second Earth, or just another desert waiting to kill us? On Mars, temperatures can plummet to minus 100 degrees. The thin atmosphere offers no real protection from cosmic radiation. Water exists, but it's locked in ice and brines. Survival there would demand technology that hasn't been perfected yet. Radiation shielding, domed habitats, and terraforming projects that might take centuries. And even if we succeed on Mars, then what? Is it truly a long-term solution, or just a stepping stone to even greater challenges in the cosmos? Space is unimaginably vast. The nearest potentially habitable exoplanets, like Proxima b or TRAPPIST-1e, are light years away. With our fastest rockets today, it would take tens of thousands of years to reach them. Interstellar travel isn't just science fiction. It's a technological and biological puzzle no one has solved. To survive in space, humanity would need breakthroughs, fusion propulsion, cryogenic sleep, or even generation ships, where entire societies live and die between the stars. These concepts sound bold, but each comes with risks. How do you maintain genetic diversity? Prevent psychological collapse? Handle unknown cosmic threats? Let's not forget, space is not empty. Deadly radiation, micrometeoroids, and even supernova explosions are constant hazards. A single cosmic ray can damage DNA beyond repair. Without Earth's magnetic shield, every astronaut is vulnerable. Surviving space means mastering shields, biology, and maybe even genetic engineering. But what if the answer isn't just human resilience? What if survival depends on merging with machines, sending not flesh and bone, but digital minds across the stars? Some futurists argue that humanity's best shot at survival is by evolving into something new, enhanced humans, or even uploading consciousness into artificial carriers. Digital minds could survive radiation, time, and distance far better than fragile bodies. But would that still be us, or something entirely different? Beyond technology, there's the human mind. Long-term isolation, confined habitats, and generational sacrifice test our psychology. Even now, astronauts on the ISS experience stress, insomnia, and depression after months in orbit. Imagine centuries of space travel. Can we endure without breaking? history gives us clues. Humans have always migrated, braved oceans, and faced hostile environments. From deserts to frozen tundras, survival has been possible through cooperation and innovation. But space is the ultimate test. Unlike Earth, there are no second chances if systems fail. And here lies an even deeper question. If survival in space is so difficult, maybe that explains why we haven't found aliens. Could this be the Great Filter? The barrier that wipes out civilizations before they spread across the stars? Enrico Fermi once asked, if the universe is full of stars and planets, where is everybody? One possible answer is grim. Maybe most civilizations collapse before they conquer space. If that's true, humanity might be facing the same dark future right now. Yet, not all is doom. Advances in biotechnology, artificial intelligence, and energy could give humanity tools to beat the odds. Genetic engineering could protect against radiation. Fusion energy could power starships. Quantum communication might keep interstellar colonies connected. Survival may depend on how fast we develop these breakthroughs. Still, no matter how ambitious our space dreams, Earth remains our only true home for now. Protecting the environment, stabilizing civilization, and extending our survival window may be the most important step toward reaching the stars at all. So, can humanity survive space? The truth is, we don't know. But the choice before us is clear. Adapt, evolve, and expand, or risk being one more civilization erased by the passage of time. Our future depends on the decisions we make today. The dark future of humanity doesn't have to end in extinction. Maybe our destiny is written in the stars. The only question is, will we survive long enough to reach them? For more cosmic mysteries and deep explorations, subscribe now to Deep Space Explained.